Today, I'm taking the Fosi Audio ZD3 DAC to the next level by installing Sparkos SS3602 op amps, an upgrade that transforms an already fantastic DAC into something truly breathtaking. These op amps are widely regarded as being among the best, and after hearing them, I couldn't agree more. Stick around to see the installation, hear about the incredible sound improvements, and learn why this upgrade is worth every penny. Before we dive in, I want to direct you to the Fosi Audio's official installation video, which I've linked in the description below. While I'll walk you through every step here, their video provides clear instructions for replacing op amps. I'll be showing you additional details they didn't cover, so it's a good idea to check out both resources for the full picture. To swap the op amps, first remove the 2 screws from the back plate, just these 2. Leave all the other screws in the back panel in place. Then pull the volume knob off and unscrew the nut around the volume shaft to remove the front faceplate. Be careful with the wires that are connecting the bypass switch to the circuit board. Disconnect those gently once the faceplate is off. Now carefully slide the circuit board out of the back of the case. Precision is key here, so take your time. Next, locate the stock op amps on the circuit board. Use the right tool to carefully remove them, paying close attention to their orientation. There's a small notch or dot that indicates how they're aligned. When installing the Sparkos op amps, make sure they're orientated the same way. Installing them backwards could damage your components, so double check before pressing them into place. Don't be intimidated by the idea of doing this yourself. It's super easy and almost self-explanatory. Trust me, you can do this. Here's how these op amps function. This one here processes the signal for RCA outs, while the other 2 handle the XLR outputs. In my setup, I use the outputs together. The XLRs for my V3 mono amps and the RCA outs for my subwoofer system. If you plan to only use one set of outputs, you can save money by upgrading only the ones you need. You are quite literally wasting money if you do upgrade op amps on the outputs you don't plan to use. Before diving into the sound improvements, let's quickly talk about the 2 main types of op amps, discrete and integrated, or IC op amps. The Sparkos op amps are discrete, which means they're built from individual components, transistors, resistors, and capacitors. They're optimized and selected for audiophile grade performance. Discrete op amps are larger, more complex, and typically deliver superior sound quality with better dynamics, clarity, and a more expansive soundstage. On the other hand, integrated op amps, like the ones that come stock in the ZD3, are compact single-chip designs. They're cost-effective, reliable, and widely used in mass-produced audio equipment. Think of integrated op amps as a dependable sedan, like a Toyota Corolla. They're affordable, practical, and engineered to meet the needs of most users with reliability and efficiency. Discrete op amps, on the other hand, are like a handcrafted supercar. Think Ferrari or Aston Martin. Every component is meticulously designed and fine-tuned by experts for peak performance. The experience is unparalleled, offering precision, power, and a level of refinement that makes the premium price well worth it for those who seek the absolute best. Not everyone needs or wants the supercar experience. Sometimes the dependable sedan is the perfect fit for your needs and budget. Integrated op amps offer many affordable upgrades that can significantly enhance performance without breaking the bank. Fosi Audio has done extensive testing on a variety of options, including comparisons between IC models and discrete op amps like the Sparkos. I've linked their videos in the description below so you can explore these options in detail and find what works best for you. While discrete op amps, like the Sparkos, deliver unparalleled audiophile grade performance, integrated op amps remain an excellent way to elevate your system at a reasonable price. You might be wondering why I'm not playing music in an A-B comparison like Fosi does in their video. Well, there are a few reasons. First, the YouTube app compresses audio, which often is enough to erase the subtle nuances you want to hear. Second, even to have a chance at picking up these differences over the internet, you need to listen with some high-end headphones at the very least. Third, I have to admit, I don't have 2 matching high-end microphones to record this comparison in stereo properly, or a room that won't give the microphones reflections. Based on my experience, nailing this setup, the recording and playback, is crucial for an accurate comparison. If you want to see how this kind of comparison should be done, I highly recommend checking out the Virtual Hi-Fi YouTube channel. Their room, their world-class Qualio speakers and microphone setup are absolutely top-notch. And Greg Zagosh and his team do an amazing job at capturing acoustic nuances. It's the only way to do this kind of demo justice, and it's why I've chosen not to attempt it here. The Sparkos op amps take the ZD3 to a whole new level, delivering breathtaking clarity, tighter bass, and a more immersive, open, and detailed soundstage. The highs sparkle with precision, and the mids are rich, textured, and nuanced, and the dynamics are simply on another level. It's the kind of transformation that makes you fully engulfed with the music, which is entirely the point here. While today's focus is on upgrading the ZD3, don't overlook the benefits of upgrading the op amps in your amplifiers as well. A high-quality op amp upgrade can unlock similar transformations in dynamics, clarity, and soundstage. If you're using high-quality amplifiers like Fosi Audio offers, you definitely want to explore this. Speaking of amplifiers, soon I'll be installing some high-end op amps in my V3 mono amps. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you're notified the moment that video drops. And please do comment on this video. It really does help the channel grow. Sparkos op amps aren't the cheapest option. Still very affordable, but they are absolutely worth it. You can find them directly on their website, and they're a fantastic investment for audiophiles looking to take their system to the next level. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can get a set for yourself. To wrap things up, the Sparkos SS3602 op amps are a spectacular upgrade for the Fosi Audio ZD3 DAC, and their entire amplifier line for that matter. They enhance every aspect of the sound and make an already remarkable DAC even better. If you're serious about audio, this is an upgrade you need to experience for yourself. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and if you haven't seen my ZD3 review yet, click here to check it out. And if you're curious about the V3 mono amps that will be getting an op amp upgrade of their own soon, click here to see why I love those so much. Thanks again. I'll catch you next time.